Welcome to the Cloud Computing series, where we'll explore the world of cloud computing and its impact on business and personal computing. In this video, we'll give an overview of cloud computing, explain how it works, and explore the benefits of cloud computing for businesses and individuals. So, let's get started. Simply put, cloud computing is the use of remote servers to store, manage, and process data. Instead of storing files and applications on your own computer or server, you can access them from anywhere with an internet connection, using a cloud service provider like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. Cloud computing works by providing access to computing resources, such as storage, processing power, and applications, through the internet. These resources are typically located in large data centers managed by cloud service providers, which offer a range of services to businesses and individuals. One of the key benefits of cloud computing is that it enables businesses and individuals to scale their computing resources up or down based on their needs. For example, a business might need additional computing resources during peak periods of activity, such as holiday shopping season, and can easily scale up their usage during this time. Another benefit of cloud computing is that it reduces the need for businesses and individuals to invest in expensive hardware and software. Instead, they can simply pay for the resources they use on a subscription basis, which can be more cost-effective in the long run. Finally, cloud computing can also provide greater flexibility and accessibility for businesses and individuals, enabling them to work from anywhere with an internet connection. This can be especially useful for remote workers, mobile employees, or businesses with multiple locations. Now, we'd love to hear your thoughts on cloud computing in the comments below. What benefits have you experienced from using cloud computing? So, that's a brief overview of cloud computing and its benefits. In the rest of this series, we'll delve deeper into different aspects of cloud computing, such as security, data management, and mobile computing. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel and watch the entire playlist to learn more.